Wait! Titan, no! That's not how you do the trick! Get me out of here!
Don't worry, Beverly. I just want to prove everyone that I can beat Brownie at something for once.
No, Titan, don't. Please don't do this, you imbecile.
Ooh, can I be next?
In 3, 2, 1.
Beverly? Are you okay?
Oh, looky, help, Beverly. Titan, what did you do?
Beverly,
You
are you
imbecile.
okay? Oh, God. Huh, I never got arrested before. I guess you beat me on that one, my friend. You.